Not the 4. I was trying to 3 or 4. Oh! Disrespectful. I just got my lashes done. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a hair video in a while, so today I am sharing my aloe pre-poo recipe with you guys, and then I'm going to show you guys me putting it in my hair. So just a quick little intro. Like, follow, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Yeah. Dividing my hair in 4 sections and clipping them up out of the way. Sections do not need to be neat, just so you have a little control when you're applying the aloe vera. Once you start with the back section, so let that one back down. And I'll show you guys how I apply. So with that section, I divide it into an even smaller piece, probably 1/4 of that section. This one's probably a little smaller, but 1/4 of that section. Get my aloe vera, put it in this nice bottle for easy applying. I start by like crumpling it up in my hand and then squirting the aloe vera. Into it, massaging it out, and then pulling it down to the end. Making sure it gets on every strand. And then my hair starts to curl up and absorb the aloe vera. Start with a big rake, wide tooth comb. Like I said, I just took my braids out, so I'm gonna have more shedding than I usually would with combing through my hair. So I like to start with a big rake. And then with whatever kind of brush this is called. Start at the end. And then just massage the aloe vera into here. That's the first section. Pull down the second section. The second piece of the first section. A little aloe vera goes a long way. So I start by adding the new section with the first section. And as you can see, if you massage it in well enough, you don't really have to add any more product. But I like to. This whole bottle, the level's about here, this probably lasts me 3 or 4 applications. I'm not using all of this tonight. I guess I'll show the bottle at the end and let you guys know how much I actually used. It's currently at, it started at about 450, 425 milliliters. And I used 2 large aloe vera leaves. Come a little closer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my whole head. I don't know if I'll video it or not, but I ain't trying to do this whole video silent, okay? I need some music, I need some TV. I'm not trying to get no copyright infringement emails, so I'm gonna have to mute this video and finish this head. So watch along. Okay, so I'm back. All my hair, all my strands feel like they're fully saturated with the aloe vera gel. It's aloe vera, peppermint essential oil, and a little bit of coconut oil. So I usually massage this for a couple minutes, stimulate my scalp. Make sure you get your edges good. So I used a little bit more than I thought I would. It's now at about 225 milliliters, so almost half. So this will do for 2 sessions, not the 4 I was trying in 3 of. Oh, disrespectful. I just got my lashes done too. Dang, that's what I get for exaggerating earlier. So it'll do for two sessions. About 2 sessions. So it'll do for about 2 sessions. The 2 large leaves. Oh, I feel the peppermint oil in my eye. Oh my gosh, I need to go rinse it. But yeah, I usually have this sit in my hair for about an hour or so. Yo, the like corner of my eye, like my eyelid is all pepperminty. It feels so weird. Oh my gosh. Hope that I'm okay. But I massage my hair at random intervals for about an hour, and then I'll rinse it out. I feel like it just brings so much life back to my curls, and I feel like my hair grew a lot. There's still some damage, but I think it grew a lot. We gonna see. Follow my journey. But yes, that's my aloe vera treatment. So if you were looking for an aloe vera recipe and you came across mine and you like it, let me know. Let me know how you like it. I really like the peppermint. I've seen a lot of other people's recipes and they don't have the peppermint essential oil in it. It just has my scalp feeling amazing and my right eyelid. But yes, try it out. Let me know how you like it. Yes. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions.